So, page 2 in your math packet for Monday, August 24th has this word problem. Billy has 9 red crayons, 3 green crayons, and 2 yellow crayons. How many crayons does Billy have altogether? So, in the corner, you see one of our strategies for math. Choose an operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So the clue word in this word problem is all together. If you take the red crayons that he has, the green crayons that he has, and the yellow crayons and combine them, that will tell you how many crayons he has altogether. So show your work. There's some workspace here. You can draw the red crayons. There's 9. But an easier and quicker way to solve is to use a tens frame. So if you can draw your tens frame, the tens frame has 5 boxes on top and 5 boxes on the bottom, making 10 boxes. That's why we call it a tens frame. And then you can draw and fill in your red crayons in the tens frame, giving you 9. Then at your math sentence, you can write 9 plus. You've done that step. Then the next step is to add the 3. So you fill in the last space of the tens frame, 1, 2, 3. That gives you 12. So on your paper, you can write the 9 plus 3. Then the last step is to add the 2, 2, yes, yellow crayons. And so by adding them in these 2 spaces on the tens frame, you have 9 plus 3 plus 2. And now you can calculate the total. You've got a completed tens frame, so that's 10. Then you count up 11, 12, 13, 14. Your answer's 14. Now, all we have to do is explain what we did. Tell how you got the answer. Okay? You can say, I started with 9 and added 3 to get 12, and then added 2 more. And it would be better for you to write to get 14. So there's your answer. How you got your answer? I started with 9 and added 3 to get 12 and then added 2 more to get 14. One thing we definitely want to avoid doing is drawing, say, the crayons and starting 1, 2, 3 and counting from 1. You want to make sure when you're drawing the crayons, whether you draw them just as blocks, or if you use a tens frame, we don't need to start all the way up at 1. We have 9, so we start from 9 and count up. That's a good strategy when adding. I see students start all the way back with number 1 and recount the 9 crayons. But one thing we really want to focus on, start with how many you had to begin with, the 9. Add the 3. So we're practicing starting at 9 and counting up. 10, 11, 12, then counting up from 12, 13, 14.